Organizing can be simple. That's the truth. And we can make it simple by narrowing our focus to one very specific category. I'm introducing today my letting go weekly challenges. So stay tuned for more. These will help you get started, stay motivated, and you'll get a small area decluttered and you're going to just feel awesome about it. So the first item up today is bathing suits, swimming suits. I'm shooting this in July 2019 and it's swimsuit season. Let's look at those swimming suits. Put them all together, gather them up, and then evaluate them. Ask yourself, do I even want to wear this swimsuit again? The last time I had it on, did I feel not so great about myself? I know it's hard in a swimming suit. They're kind of like jeans. We get really particular about how we look. We compare ourselves. Let's not get into it. So you want suits that make you feel your best. Hopefully they don't all go in the garbage or in the donate bin. Hopefully you'll find a couple that you like. But if you don't want to wear them again, let them go. Okay, this is all about letting go without guilt. Is the swimming suit in good working order? Do the straps still function? How about the leg holes? Are they stretchy and saggy? Is the bottom saggy? Those will probably have to be tossed. Sometimes the elastic gets real crunchy. You pull on the elastic and you hear this crunching sound. That's time to let it go. And then how many suits do you truly need? Okay, let's be real with ourselves. Let's be honest. How many do you need? How often do you go swimming? If it's just a couple times a year, you probably are good with one suit. Answer these questions as honestly as you can, and they will help you make your decision. And once you've got all the suits sorted out, put them away, the ones that you're keeping, and put the others in the donation bag or toss them. That's it. You're going to have a win. Within 15 minutes, you will be winning with this decluttering. So these challenges are meant to be super doable. They're going to leave you with blissful satisfaction that an area of your home has been cleaned out. And that feeling may make you feel like you want to keep going. It could be pretty motivating to get started with this super simple, doable challenge. Please subscribe and you'll receive email notifications when I drop another video or another challenge, and you'll find yourself letting more and more stuff go. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organized. I'm your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. See you next time.